What's going on, everybody in Mac Squad? Back again with a brand new video. Today we're gonna have the Redmi Note 9S unboxing. Stay tuned. Squad, as I said in the intro of this video, got a kitchen knife. This is going to be the Redmi Note 9S here. Now, if you're not familiar with this device, I think it came out like a month and a half ago. But the model I got is the Aurora Blue 4 gigs, 64 gigabytes of internal storage with a Snapdragon 720 inside this device. I think it has a quad camera setup, 48 megapixels. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing open. I don't know what happened to my unboxing knife that I used to have, but kitchen knife will do. If I throw my SIM card in there and it happens to work, well, that'd be cool. Don't get me wrong, but I knew very well going into this that it's a good chance it didn't work. And here we have the books, and you actually get a case inside the box, which is something that I was hoping for. And it's a clear, because I'm going to use this. I think it's a clear case. Yeah, it's a clear silicone case. So next we have the phone, which is absolutely gorgeous. The quad camera setup in the back. Of course, USB, Type-C on the bottom. And open up the box, we have here, and yes, you do have a quick charger out of the box there. USB Type-C cable, of course. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw that back in there. Oh yeah, SIM ejection tool, boom. So now let me go ahead and get this all cleaned up, and then I'll be right back. So here we go, the Redmi Note 9S. Now you can see on the front of it here, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720, which is what I'm most excited about here in this device. Like I said, a 48 megapixel camera, a full HD dot display, I guess a pretty good display, and a 5020 milliamp hour battery. And it has rapid charge up to 18 watts. So I think that's actually in the box there. But man, this one is really, really pretty. That color is nice. There it is. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful color. All right, let me go ahead and power this thing on. So boom. I think the front facing camera is 16 megapixels and has USB Type-C for charging. And the case that comes with it in the box actually has a little flap on a charging port. I thought that was kind of interesting and I wanted to mention that. But you can see the headphone jack is on the bottom there. We get a loudspeaker. You also got a fingerprint scanner inside that doubles as a power button. Of course, you get your volume up and down rockers. And then on the left side here, you see your SIM tray slot. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw a SIM in here and see if I can actually get something going here. But other than that, that's pretty much gonna be it for the unboxing here. Nothing else came inside the box. I want to kind of save my, my initial thoughts and my first setup and everything like that. I'm gonna save that for my first impressions video. So just make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any coverage on the Redmi Note 9S. Also, be sure to like the video so that other people just like you can get a little information when it comes to buying budget devices like the Redmi Note 9S. And Mac Squad, please share the video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.